Hello, I'm Dr. Samujala Dev, and today I want to share with all my vitiligo patients out there a very interesting and a very novel surgery which is very good for restoring the color in your vitiligo patches, especially if you're someone who's suffering from vitiligo for a long period of time. You have tried all sorts of treatments, both allopathic treatment, homeopathic treatment, Ayurvedic treatment, but now your vitiligo patch is no longer increasing in size, but it is not decreasing also. It is at the same place, and you are worried about it because vitiligo carries a lot of stigma with it in our country. A lot of people think that vitiligo is contagious, that if somebody sits next to you or if they touch you, then they can also get vitiligo. If you're applying for a job where maybe you are a front desk officer, or you are in the airline industry where you need to meet a lot of people in your day-to-day life, you're worried that you might be discriminated against either in the form of getting the job, or when you already have the job but people are not comfortable approaching you, and you have to either cover your body or you have to camouflage your vitiligo in some way, then this surgery is for you. So yes, the name of the surgery is non-cultured epidermal cell suspension. So yes, a lot of you may have heard about vitiligo surgeries like mini punch grafting, suction blister grafting. These are a lot of surgeries which are done to restore the color in your vitiligo patch. But in a lot of these cases, there is residual scarring in the place from where the graft was taken. Sometimes there's color mismatch between the vitiligo area and the surrounding skin. So this novel surgical treatment provides almost 100% repigmentation in your vitiligo patch. There is no color difference, and sometimes even you can't make out if there is a difference between the vitiligo area and the normal skin. So yes, this is a surgical procedure which is usually done in vitiligo patients in whom the disease has been stable for at least 6 months to 1 year. That is, your disease is no longer increasing in size, neither is it decreasing in size. This surgery is very good for those who have large vitiligo patches involving a large surface of your body area. It could be your face, it could be your body skin. There is very minimal scarring or any hypopigmentation or lack of repigmentation in the place from where the graft is taken. Along with that, there is a unique innovation which I personally, as a Dr. Samujala, I use that innovation. So that gives almost 100% repigmentation in your vitiligo patches. So yes, if you are someone who's suffering from vitiligo for a long time, or if you know someone who has vitiligo, then do share this video with them, and stay tuned for the next episode in this series of vitiligo surgery, where I will share the exact details of the procedure, how it is done, who can get it done, what are the post-surgery precautions or the treatments that you need to take. So yes, if you found this video interesting, stay tuned for the next video and subscribe to our channel. Till then, this is me, Dr. Samujala Dev, signing off. Bye-bye.